Join us on this fun walking tour of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This DIY walking tour allowed us to explore so many new areas in the city and dive deeper into the Malaysian culture. Welcome to our channel. Join us on a budget-friendly exploration of the world's wonders. Hit subscribe and let the journey begin. It is hot and humid already today in Kuala Lumpur, but we're headed out this morning to do a little DIY walking tour.
It's eerily quiet. We don't know why. Roads are blocked off all over. Maybe it's a big day. We're ready to celebrate.
We are at the Jamek Mosque walking bridge. This is where our walking tour begins. Right off the Jamek Mosque walking bridge is Sultan Abdul Samad building. The architecture of this building is incredible. It has 3 towers, tall white arches, a grand porch, 2 domes, and a clock tower. This building originally housed the British colonial administration, then housed the Superior Courts, and today it holds the office of the Ministry of Communications and Multimedia and the Ministry of Tourism and Culture of Malaysia. Just across the street from the pedestrian bridge is Merdeka Square, and this is where the Malaysian flag was raised on their Independence Day from the British, August 31st, 1957, and it has remained there ever since. There is also a countdown clock water curtain near the Merdeka Square.
We're here at the River of Life, and behind us is Kuala Lumpur's oldest mosque in the city.
This was named one of the best waterfronts in the world.
There's some very large, cool murals on these buildings. Here comes the rain. We might have to find some place to hunker down for a few.
Along with the heat and humidity all the time in Malaysia, you're gonna have rainstorms.
There's something that smells so bad, it is hard to think. It is maybe the worst smelling or second worst smelling thing I've ever come across my nose. Welcome to the Central Markets.
You can find lots of food here, lots of unique gifts and other merchandise. And we all know where Trevor's headed directly first thing. The food court.
$2.95. Got a plate of food. It is so hot.
This
feels so good. Such a fun, cute magnet. I did too.
Right outside of the Central Market is Kasturi Walk, which is a covered pedestrian walkway where vendors line the streets. Don't miss out on the great view of the world's second tallest building, Merdeka 118. right outside of the Central Market. Guan Temple is one of the oldest temples in Malaysia. Unfortunately, you cannot film on the inside, but it is free to enter, and it was just as incredible and unique as the outside.
And this is Chinatown, absolutely crazy, full of any sort of trinket or any sort of gift you would want to buy.
And more.
Where are we?
Monster Cafe. It's a cat cafe. Meow.
If you're a fan of cats, this is a really fun place to visit. Trevor absolutely loves cats and had such a great time.
Instagram alley. Everyone taking photos, including us.
This walking tour was a great way for us to see so many different areas of the city. We had a great time and highly recommend this walking tour if you are visiting Kuala Lumpur.
Just watching a movie being made.